Here we go. This is 2021. On the website, it is February 25th, but today is March 2nd. Here we go. Pick O team. Last one. Amanda, Rams, Seahawks. Andrea, Browns, Chiefs. Anthony, Bills, Bears, Bucks. Coleman, Ravens. Bill Hill, Chargers, Dolphins, Steelers. Brian Simpson, Bengals, Bengals, Raiders. Corey, Packers. James Cross, Boys. Jeff Britt, Cardinals. Jennifer Tatum, Falcons, Saints. Jeremy Colts. Mazindo, Broncos, Lions, Titans. Nate, Eagles, Skins. Scott, Panthers. Tanner B, Texans, Yags, Vikes, Patriots, Giants, Jets, and Niners. Alright, everything look good there, guys? We'll get it going. Alright, guys, looks good. Looks good, looks good, looks good. Okay. Alright, let's get it. This is for Topps Co-Signer. Tanner, you got 4. 2007 Topps Co-Signers. That is what, 750? Okay. Alright. Looks good. Alright, guys, good luck. Specialty Mini. Last one in the case. Hopefully it's like a nice Herbert or something crazy. It is Warren Moon for the Minnesota Vikings. Warren Moon, Hall of Fame 06. Warren Moon 06 for the Vikings. V44273, Warren Moon for the Minnesota Vikings. Alright, who got the Minnesota Vikings? Tanner. Alright, Tanner, there you go, man. You got the Warren Moon amp. Inscribed 06 Hall of Fame. Okay. Good stuff. Top spot, free spot into the bonus break. This is the last Specialty Mini I have. I have Peace Premium Mini helmets coming back pretty soon, so we'll have those soon. Nate Adams, good. Good. Nate Adams, 221. Say 221? No, 225. 225 Specialty Mini. Okay. Alright, good stuff there, guys. Multi-sport jersey, 11 left. Premium pack football, 4 divisions. Gold Rush Mini, random teams. If you guys want to do a random 550. Basketball pack, we did. That's open again. Nike jersey, 20 spots left. Only a couple left in that series. A lot of heaters left, though. Alright, every night, guys, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Never miss the live break. Please subscribe and turn on notifications. Thank you.